He fell into a freezing river, and a dog saved his life. In 2021, a man in England was walking near a river. He slipped and fell into the icy water. He couldn't swim. No one was around except one dog. The dog barked like crazy, loud, nonstop. A stranger heard it and came running. They saw the man, barely holding on, called for help, pulled him out. The man said, "If that dog wasn't there, I wouldn't be here today." If you believe animals are heroes too, like the video, and subscribe for more true stories that'll blow your mind.